everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fruits effect on VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit. And now if you wanna add a fruits effect on a VivaVideo app, so you just click on the all effect at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the pitch. And then in here you can see fruit, and then click on it, and in here you can see fruit background effect 1 until 5. You can choose the background that you want. This is a background 1, this is a background 3, and this is the background 5. And after this you can click down in here and finish. So that's how to add a fruits effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.